Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Polar Verity Sense. First, ensure your sensor is fully charged. A complete charge typically takes about 1.5 hours. Next, download either the Polar Flow or Polar Beat app onto your smartphone. These apps are essential for initial setup and data synchronization. Finally, make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled, as this is how the sensor communicates with your device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Once your sensor is charged and the app is installed, open the Polar Flow or Polar Beat app on your smartphone. Place your Verity Sense very close to your phone, ideally within a few inches. The app will then guide you through the process of adding and pairing your new sensor. Look for on-screen prompts to confirm the connection. You'll know it's successfully paired when the sensor's LED light indicates a stable connection, often a solid green or blue light. This ensures your data can be transmitted. To connect your Verity Sense to other compatible devices, such as a sports watch or cycling computer, first activate the sensor's pairing mode. You can do this by pressing the small button on the sensor once. Then, navigate to the sensor settings menu on your sports watch or cycling computer. Select the option to add new sensor and choose your Polar Verity Sense from the list of available devices. Your device should then confirm the successful connection, allowing you to start your workout. For the best experience, always wear your Verity Sense correctly, typically on your arm or temple, to ensure accurate data transmission. Keep the sensor within the recommended Bluetooth range, usually around 10 meters or 33 feet, of your connected device. Regularly update your sensor's firmware using the Polar Flow app to benefit from the latest features and improvements. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your Verity Sense and the connected device. This often resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.